Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is if-else statement in JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. This is logical operations. So in any of the coding language it requires, whether you are in PHP or whether you are in basic languages, this required. If conditions, basically this is the condition making if else statements. So whenever we need to decide whether this is gonna happen, if the age is 18, that means they have the driving license, something like that, they can allow to visit this website. If it is more than 21, then they can allow to vote, something like that. We can make the conditions logic. Then how we are going to make such kind of conditions? Let's start the tutorial. So I have already made this one's tutorial. If time is less than 10, greeting, good morning. If else if time is less than 20, greeting, good day. If the time is else, it will say always good evening. So what is the value of time? So we will define the time here, where time or let time equals to, suppose I will say 10, right? And let's execute the code. It says greeting, good day, and let's run to the console. Here we will write the final answer, console dot log final answer, answer comma greeting. Okay. So greeting, it will throw you error like greeting is not defined. Let's check. Greeting. Okay. So you can define here the let but greeting, right? And if you go to the final answer is good day. That means it goes to this condition. That means it's 10. Time is less than 10, or it's 10, it's good day. If I suppose if I put 11, then which, it's in good day. If I put 9, so it should go to the good morning, good morning. And the else, if both conditions or no, I'm going to write 21, evening. So this, on the basis of these operations, it's making the logical operations, whether this happens, then this, then that, then that, right? So this is the if else statements that you can use for the in JavaScript, right, for handling the logical building. So hope you understand the concept of the if and else condition, which is the decision making, you can say JavaScript fundamental. So you can use in any of the code if conditions, if you want to meet the specific conditions, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment.